Hello everyone! Hello! Ayan, whole vlog tayo ulit guys. Konti lang po itong binili natin. It's only few things. Well, only few things here inside. So let's start. I wanted to show you guys how much I paid here. This is, wait a moment, 14 euros and 63 cents. Ay, nabubulol po tayo. Kasi simula pa lang ng, ng video natin. 14 euros and 63 cents po tayo. Ayan, I paid with card guys kasi wala po tayong cash. Ayan, charot. Ayan, wala po tayong cash kasi wala, ubos yung pera natin. Kaya mag-card na lang tayo. Ayan guys, so let's start. Here I have puff pastry guys. I am going to prepare something with the wait a moment guys. I am thinking. I am going to prepare something with the sweet potatoes I bought the other day. So you see guys, this is already ready to use. And then we have here pizza dough guys. I am going to prepare pizza for my children for dinner. So I bought this one guys, you know, it's sad to say that I don't know how to prepare pizza dough. That's the reality guys. So ayan, inaamin ko po, hindi po ako marunong. Or tamad lang talaga na mag-practice. And then I have here cucumber pickles guys. I like cucumber pickles but I don't want to abuse it because it's not good for me. Kasi yung salty po guys, hindi po tayo pwede. Anyway guys, this has vinegar. Okay? This has vinegar. Next, we have here seedless olives. Ayan, ito rin po. Gustong gusto ko rin po ito. Dapat hindi ko rin po inaabuso ang pagkain ng olives. It's not good guys for me and for my health and for everybody. Charot. Ayan. We have here also pickled red peppers guys, or pickled paprika. But this one guys, they roast it first and then they remove the skin and then they put it in preservatives. Ayan, pickled po siya. Meron siyang bawang oh. You see, it has garlic inside. Ayan, to preserve and also at the same time it gives flavor and aroma. Amoy bawang. Charot. Ano ba yun? Ano nangyari sa akin? And also we have here my favorite jam is blueberry. Ayan, mega love shout out brother Shamrock. Ayan, you see already my favorite jam, the blueberry. And then I have here also guys, they call this membrillo. This is like pears guys, but it's harder. And it's good guys. My husband likes this. This is good for it's like jam guys. And this is when you eat this one together with cheese. Oh my God. It's heaven. Ayan. Napaka-heaven tayo tuloy. Ayan. Very good guys ito. Gustong gusto ko rin ito guys. Kaya lang ayaw ko nga mag-abuse ng salty and sweet. Ayan. Weakness po natin ang salty and sweet. And we have here mozzarella. This is good for bread. We have also, this is what I like guys, bread. Whole wheat bread with, you see guys, with flax seeds, with sesame. It has lots of seeds guys. I don't know how many seeds does this one have. Because I like this one guys. A moment. Oh my God, I cannot see. It has water, sesame seed, currant. I don't know what is currant guys. But it is good guys. Gusto ko kasi because it has lots also what do you call this? Sunflower seeds. When we toast in the morning, this is very good with only olive oil or cheese or with jam or marmalade. Ayan. I have here guys also I bought Greek yogurt but I forgot guys. You see it's with sugar. It should be non-sugar guys. It should be sugar free. But anyway, guys, I am going to prepare this with apple, guys, for postre or dessert. Ayan. So, I am going to cut the apples into pieces, and then later on, I put the yogurt. Ayan. And then the last here, we have here, you know, guys, this should not be bought, but anyway, guys, I bought this one for my children, but I can prepare this one, guys, because you know, guys, this is very easy to prepare. Just prepare milk, chocolate, and maizena or cornstarch. You can prepare easily, guys, but you know, guys, I am too lazy or busy. Sorry, I am too busy and lazy, and I cannot prepare these days. But anyway, I bought this one for emergency purposes because my son or my daughter always ask if I bought something for dessert. But anyway, guys, I can prepare better than this. Ayan, may pa-better pa tayo. And guys, today, I passed by the, what we call this, Cuban store, and I am so happy, guys. But anyway, I paid this 5 euros and 24 cents. Ayan, guys. Kita ninyo yung kuko ng trabahadora. Ayan. You see, guys, these are fashion fruit. Ayan. Maliliit siya, and one piece of this is 50 cents. Just imagine. 30 pesos or 35 pesos. Isa lang yan, guys. Isa lang. Nag-iisang ikaw. Ayan, guys. Ang mahal. So, ngayon lang, sabi ko, sige, lulunukin ko na lang yung pride ko na bumili. Kasi, it's been a while, I think 3 years or 4 years, na hindi po ako nakatikim ng passion fruit. So, gagawin ko po siyang juice. I don't know if it is sweet or bitter or whatsoever. Basta, bumili ako para matanggal yung yung cravings ko, yung flavor, ang hinahanap ko, yung flavor and aroma of passion fruit. Ayan, bumili po ako ng 4, and this is already 2 euros. Mura na po na yan, guys. Normally kasi ito, 1 euro ang isa. So, at least sabi naman ng may-ari, sabi niya, I will give you discount 50 cents each. So, ayan, salamat naman, may discount. So, you see, guys, mega love shoutout sis Lorico. We have here Brussels sprouts. Ayan. Pupunta po tayo sa Brussels. Ayan. So, guys, this is 6 euros and 50 cents per kilo. Ayan. Almost 4 euros na po ito. Ayan. So, I am going to prepare this one. I saw one video of sis Lorico that she's cooking with cooking cream with nutmeg. So, I am going to try also, guys, for my husband because my husband likes this one, and sorry to tell you, ayaw ko po yung flavor nito. But I am going to cook for him, or otherwise, I am going to steam it, guys. So, depende. I am going to ask if he want that I will try with the cooking cream. So, anyway, guys, ayan lang po ang ating kaganapan. Ito lang po ang ating mga nabili. 14 euros and 5 euros. Ayan, more or less, ano na po ito lahat? 20 euros. Kasi nga yung una kanina is 14 euros and 63 cents, and the other one is 5 euros and 24 cents.